How to reset the password of your ING Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your ING Bank. So to do that, first of all, open up the ING Bank app or your website and simply tap on the option Forgot Client ID or Password since we do not know our password and want to reset it. After that, you'll have to basically choose the option Forgot Password and not the Forgot Client ID. Then enter your client ID or your username. After that, you'll have to choose one of these two to verify your identity. So you can either choose to ask them to send you a code on your registered phone number, or you can also ask them to send you an email. So if you choose the first option, SMS, they will send a 6-digit or 5-digit code on your phone number. Simply enter it over here and you'll be taken to this page. But if you choose the second option, which is email address, they will send you a link on your email, and once you tap on the link, you will be taken to this page once again. Now once you're in this page, simply enter a new password for your account and confirm it by typing it again in the box below. After that, tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, once you tap on the option login now, enter your new password, you will have successfully logged into your ING Bank account and reset the password. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.